Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
ma'am.
How is the day? Hi, Sidra. Hi,
Good morning,
Melissa.
ma'am.
Abhi. Hello, guys. How are you?
Good.
Melissa has joined. Hi, Amida.
Good morning, ma'am.
Amida, Abhi, can you turn on your camera?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Fateh, have you decided what you're going to be? Not
I'm
yet.
here on. My mom is thinking.
What's Fateh? Yes. You will name by tomorrow. Okay, what you're going to be?
Ma'am,
Yes.
did you update the Can you update the date today? I done all the work. Look. This.
Which of the work you have done?
Huh?
Which work do you want to do?
What, ma'am?
Whose background is making sound? Amida, is that your background? Which work do you want to upload?
I want to upload the. It's from Sidra, ma'am.
Siddhar, can you hold for 1 second, dear? Thank you.
It's from. Sorry. Like the theme project.
Project you have to upload.
Everything is done.
Upload now. I'm opening it. I'll upload it within 10 minutes. We cannot keep
Good
waiting.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Can I upload it in the break, ma'am?
Sorry?
Can I upload it in the break?
No, you have to upload now. Give to Mama. Mama will upload.
Okay, I will give it to you.
I cannot keep it open.
Okay.
Has everyone else submitted their project, everything? Is there anyone who has not submitted the project? Please raise your hands. Guys, project is your main part, okay? It has 25 marks and it will be also assessed. At that time, you will have separate marks. So, getting 0 in project is not a good idea. I'm opening it. Only 2 people from PYA has submitted. Abib, you didn't submit rest of the project, by the way. You just submitted the math part. And Milan, I don't think you have submitted the project.
Ma'am, but I submitted in the PYA2
No,
class.
I didn't call your name. I know you have submitted. Laser, did you submit all the 3 parts? English, science, math?
No.
Why? This will get you only half mark, right?
Yeah.
Don't you want full mark?
Yeah.
Where is the English part? Try making an arrow. Try to put a glass in front, put water. It will work. I can guarantee you. Barira, please turn on your camera.
I tried that.
Just draw an arrow now and try now. I'll show you how it is done.
Will arrow work in tissue? Because I done it in a tissue paper.
Draw in a paper. Put it somewhere on a stand so that it stands away, or a cardboard. Put a glass in front of it. Then add water. Then you change the glass. You can see arrow pointing one side. Again put water in front of it. Arrow will point to the opposite side.
Ma'am, can you make the due date like from today or tomorrow? Because I'll do it today
You did
with my mom.
PYA2. Sidra, please don't sleep in class. Did you do your project? I don't think you have done the project. Right, Sidra? Amina, leave it. We'll do it in the lunch then. Amina, please come in front of the screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Fateh, I can see yours. Barira, I can see. Abib, I can see half of the work.
Yes, hello, good morning.
Barira, at the end of the assembly, you do this all the time. I'm not giving you attendance. Yesterday also I warned you. You cannot come at the last moment and get the attendance. No, I'm cutting your attendance today for assembly. It's 3 minutes are remaining. There's no point. Once you cut your attendance, then only you will realize the importance of attendance. And I'm going to tell you one more reason why. Yesterday I gave you attendance thinking today you will join our class. Yes, Amila?
Why did Barina background from Juan?
Yeah.
Why is she
Barira,
covering that up? I could literally see
Barira, there's a
Juan
white
work is.
uniform. You're supposed to wear white. Where is it? Go change and come, please.
Okay.
Okay. So who has not? Milan has not done. Others have done at least a bit. Rizal, please complete the English and science part. Okay. There's English part also. You have not done that. You have to do that. It's 25 marks, people. We need that mark. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, Amila?
English.
Yes, Amila?
Inside the project there is English.
Yeah. You have to write how you did this one experiment, how you did it. You have to write about that. You didn't do it?
No, I only do maths and science.
I'll show you Fateh's work. Maybe as an example. Is it okay with you, Fateh? That's fine, right? It's fine. Okay. See, this is his observation. What he saw. He wrote what he did. For example, for my experiment, I drew the stick, girl walking to the right. Then I put the glass. So he did, and what he saw and his experience. This is what you have to do.
What, ma'am?
In the science part, English part, you have to write your observation, what you did and what you saw, what happened there. That observation has to be done as part of the work. Yes. You have not done the English part, Amila?
No, ma'am.
I'll keep it open till today.
Okay.
If you guys are not uploading today also, please don't ask
Ma'am,
me to open
what
it.
is at least do tomorrow, ma'am?
No, Abib, you got more than 3 weeks. This is more than 3 weeks. We don't need that much time to do this simple project. Upload it today. Yes, Samila, what was your doubt?
What is my observation, ma'am?
You did the science project, right? In the glass and the arrow.
Yeah.
You have to write about that. That is your observation. What you saw, what happened, what were the changes. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, people. Have a good day. Bye bye. Nahida ma'am is here.
Where is Abhirami, ma'am? Nehina, ma'am, I need to tell you something. Ma'am, today is science. Science?
Yes. Hi. Hello. Good morning, everyone.